From beginner to expert, here's the step-by-step guide.
73% of beginners feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of tools and concepts.
Here's the step-by-step pathway to mastering data science. Start with math and stats basics, then learn Python or R for programming, and finally dive into machine learning. The core tools are math and stats, Python or R for programming, and machine learning techniques. Data science is all about taking data as input, applying analysis techniques, and deriving valuable insights.
Clive Humby famously said, "Data is the new oil." It's true, data powers everything from business decisions to scientific discoveries.
Data scientists make an average of $107,000 per year, making it a highly rewarding career.
Start with the basics, learn Python or R for programming, and dive into machine learning. Happy coding on your data science journey.